I got an email last week from somebody asking me, Nir, how do we motivate staff right now? It's impossible. Everyone's hybrid, working from home. It's just crazy. Help. Stay tuned to find out more. So it turns out that motivation is one of those slippery slopes, right? You can never quite get there, and it's like more of a journey than it is an arrival. But there are certain things that you can do to help motivate people. And what you can do immediately is to turn the power over to your staff. Turn their predictability, their responsibility, their day-to-day over to them. Say, hey, no problem. Let's start to work around what you can do. So stuff like picking up the kids from school and stuff like, taking an hour to go on a walk or doing some exercise. Build those things into the day of your staff, and it will allow an amazing, creative, motivational shift to occur at your work, which will then produce really, really great results for your bottom line. I really hope that helps.